this plugs into the unit.
Yeah, of course.
Is this a tour you're taking?
Yep.
Okay.
Very nice.
Now, everybody, because the door's here, everybody steps on this side and it's sort of
Right.
leaning a bit. So I'm just supporting it. That's all. There's nothing really matter with it.
All right.
So,
Oh my.
okay, come on in. Now these chairs turn around
Obviously.
to become part of the living room.
Holy smokes.
Okay.
Holy shit, Pete.
No, that's just my frying pan, but I'm just protecting the ladder while I let it sit there. Things have been chaotic. Okay, so this is a couch. It's also easy boy chairs.
Oh yes.
It also opens up and the double bed comes out.
Oh,
So this is TV. That's a ship-wide entertainment like radio.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Storage behind the TV.
Nice.
Holy fuck.
Okay.
It's better in person than on video.
Double sink, right? Because this is another sink over here. You lift it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Microwave convection.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Okay. Storage up here.
Uh-huh.
Utilize and storage here. There's my Bell PVR.
Oh yes.
Okay. And those two are empty. I can put canned goods there. Okay. So this is like stuff here.
So do you have Bell TV up here?
I have. I'm going to show you when we go inside.
Oh,
My
okay.
dishes and everything. This is just storage.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is storage under here.
Nice.
Okay. That side's full. Now, this table comes down and catches on those ledges.
Yeah.
And you take those cushions and put them in. That's a double bed.
Oh.
Is that comfy?
Now look at. I don't know.
This would probably be comfier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Look at the fridge. Minus
That-
21. 1. It's a full size LG fridge
Yeah.
with a nice cube maker,
Nice.
filtered water,
Holy
Right.
fuck.
That's great.
bottom freezer, right?
Yeah.
Bottom freezer.
Just in case you find cheap bacon or
Right?
something.
And
Yeah.
Another, like, you know. Okay. So this is where the twins hang out.
Yeah.
They sleep in the bunk beds.
That's cute.
There's a little storage up here for hats and kettles and stuff.
You got lights in here?
Yeah. Here, I can turn this one on.
Ah, there we go.
Okay, this is the guest
What
bathroom.
is this here? Command
That's
center.
a command center. I want to know how
Heating.
full my tanks are, moving the things in and out, asking
Oh,
the
okay.
questions, turn the furnace on, the air conditioner on, the heat pump on.
Okay.
Okay, this is the guest bathroom.
The guest bathroom.
Okay. You know,
It's a good size.
it's got a full shower, and it's got like
Yeah.
a little sit down here if you're old and need to sit down when you have your shower.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's cool.
Okay, and behind these doors here is the master bedroom.
I want to see this bathroom for a second.
Okay.
Not bad. This is really nice.
Yeah.
Right. This is the master bedroom. Look how many
Oh,
cupboards I
yes.
got, you know, like these all have hangers built in. And my TV in the bedroom if I care
Look at
about
this
that.
bed.
Okay, it's a king size bed.
Nice.
That's okay.
Right.
Windows on both sides.
Oh,
all
that's
three sides.
oh, that's a back window.
So you
This
can
is-
open the window, sleep
This
with
is
the
the
windows.
ensuite with the shower.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and behind here is my washer dryer combo.
Oh wow.
You put the laundry in, you push the buttons,
Yeah.
it washes it,
Yeah.
spins it dry, turns into a dryer, and dries it all in one thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Right? So this is the unit.
Wow.
I need to see this. I need to get right in there.
Yeah.
and see this.
Right.
Check
I
that
gotta
out.
look this. That's a cute. Okay, bigger sink. No sit down here though.
No. This is my circuit breakers. If you know, like if I blow
All
a fuse,
right, yeah.
fuse thing there. That's the electrical, and there's storage up here. So I've got lots of storage.
Wow, this is so neat, Pete.
Okay, now
This
I
is wonderful.
want to show you something. Lindsay had a power failure
Yeah.
yesterday. We were watching the Blue Jays game. I reach over here, push a button, turn on the generator, get Bell back going, and we watch the rest of the ball game.
This right here It feels so spacious.
It is.
It is.
Now,
Like I feel like I'm in a room.
at
Yeah.
night when it gets, you don't want people looking in, so you pull the blinds down on the sides. Okay? Then you reach in here and you push this, and it just brings the front shade down.
Oh,
You
fuck.
have total privacy.
Total privacy. Okay, bring it all the way down and bring the sides, bring both poles
Yeah.
down.
And like this, so when you're driving, this
Yeah.
table is right there.
Yeah, it's there, but that it's not meant to use while you're driving. It's meant to use while it's part of the. Now the reason this is folded down is I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to pull the other one down for a second. Okay, right here, so you push this up, pull that out, pull this down, and now another bed fold.
Oh, you're kidding.
And this is where the kid sleeps.
Okay.
Okay.
Do some of these beds have weight limitations?
This
Like,
is the only one, 200 pounds.
so this is
So Nathan's
Nathan's.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then the twins over there.
twins over there.
Yeah.
And there's this. So how many people total can sleep in this
Well,
place?
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8 or 9. If you had that many people here.
Hmm.
If you were, it's pretty busy though with 8 or 9 people in here.
Yeah, it would be, but still
But still, if you were
doable.
everything was here for the weekend. And if there was a power failure and I so wanted, that would keep the fridge cold for 4 days and keep the TVs running and the lights. Okay. Then all I'd have to do is start it up and then charge them back up. Okay. 4 batteries.
Nice. Yeah.
This is my outside TV. Okay, with the speakers.
You got an awning here, don't you?
Yes, I have a power awning. You want to see that in operation?
Absolutely.
All right, here we go. Let's push this button.
So you can watch TV outside.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Holy fucking shit. I am so impressed.
But where I'm sitting, it doesn't help a lot with my angles.
Yeah.
So I won't be using a whole lot here. Because the thing blocks the sun, and then when the sun gets around this side, it doesn't shade that much.
Yeah. Holy jumping, that is so cool.
So this has got a thing to keep the door open, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is where I keep all my tools.
Right.
Now if you look down, it goes all the way through. You see? To the other side.
Oh, wow, yeah, it's
Got
deep.
Crawl in to get whatever.
You could crawl in to get whatever. Okay? This. Keep all my barbecue utensils.
Of course.
Okay?
Look what I see.
It doesn't go all the way through. But it's also got a plug end in here. So I can
Yeah.
run the power out, like if I want to run the rotisserie or something.
Makes sense, yeah.
Okay? This is where I
Plug in the
in-
gas, or
yeah.
is it propane?
propane. I'll show you when we get around. That's just an access port. In case, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, don't do that. Stop. Stop.
Oh, I think that's just access point too.
Access to what?
I got that lot. Oh, that's a storage thing where I got all my brake buddies and stuff that for towing my Jeep
All right.
and the cables and stuff. Okay. We'll go squeeze through here. Now,
Cool, I love this.
because this thing is so big,
Yeah.
I need to have 2 sewer lines, and I've only got the one set up. The other one hooks on to a connection right in here, and I have the hose to do it. So I just have to hook it on and hook it over. And what you do is you wait till your tanks start to get full,
Yeah.
because you don't want to keep them empty all the time, or the shit will sit at the bottom and stick and whatever.
Okay.
So what you do is you let it flush down the black water, which is the toilet water. Right. Then you let it flush the gray water, which is the shower and the sinks and stuff, and that
Right.
sort of washes everything through. Okay. This is where I plug it in. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is where the cable goes in and plugs into a little thing there, a little cable thing, which the whole
Oh, so this is your cable.
yes.
I was wondering how you're doing that.
So the whole thing's wired. The whole unit's wired. You plug the satellite into that.
Okay, so you do have your Bell TV happening.
You have to step over this.
Do you need to buy special septic safe toilet paper?
No. No. So this is the other sewer thing.
Yeah.
Now, that's where this, see that white clear hose?
Yeah.
That one is drink water safe. So
Right.
I got that one. And there's a filter here for the water, and then there's another one in the filter. So the water coming out of the door has been double filtered.
Wow.
Now there's a little hose here with a little head on it. Right?
Yeah.
And the taps. Like, let's say I'm getting ready to go away, and so I want to rinse that hose out all the way through. I just wash her through and that kind of stuff. There's a little light here in case you had to come out here at night and see what's going on. Okay. There's the that's the generator.
Oh, okay.
50 amp service. Okay, now because the place here is only 30 amp service,
Right.
that yellow thing is a converter,
Ah.
right? Converts my 50 amp. So the thing is, I can only run one of my 2 air conditioners.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It's a shame.
it's a shame.
Okay. This is the other side of the storage. It goes all the way through. Right? That's opposite the barbecue things. So I still got lots of room there I haven't used. I'll carry my golf clubs down to Mississippi.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, I think this is the Ferna. No, it could be the hot water tank. I got a hot water tank. Right,
Uh-huh.
propane. Okay, this is the propane tank. Okay,
Yeah.
it's equivalent to 4.5 barbecue sized tanks.
Okay.
When I need gas, guy comes over with his machine, runs the hose over, fills it up, gives me a bill.
Nice.
Okay. And
Wow.
that's pretty well. I bought this shed, which I'm gonna need. Look at that.
This is your new Jeep?
Yep. I'll show you. I'll show you. Actually, come on around the front. I want to show you. So when I'm towing it, I got a brake buddy that hooks right into these.
Oh, yes.
The chains go on the hooks.
Yeah.
You plug in there, so it activates the brakes on this with the brake buddy.
Yeah.
And see that little ring?
Yeah.
That is a third thing. You hook that on. If for some reason the first 2 failed, it pulls that pin and all 4 brakes go on, and it just stops wherever it is.
Oh,
That's excellent.
That with the brake buddy and stuff that's locked in one of that things down there are $4,000 worth of add-ons.
wow.
I noticed the ladder at the back. Can you actually sit up on top of it?
Yeah, well, yeah, you can climb up and walk against. You're allowed to walk on it,
Oh, yeah.
but more for servicing. Like there's antennas and satellite dishes and air conditioners
Okay.
up there, so it's more of a service
So
thing.
it's not like a leisure thing.
No, yeah. I mean, if you were out at the racetrack or something, you wanted to climb up and watch the race in there, you could probably do it.
You're streaming a video?
Not streaming, just recording.